crafty lovers, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix this hardware accessories for bags. And the necessity behind me showing you how to fix this item, actually it's called a magnetic snap, and you guys are already very familiar with it because I've used it in so many of my videos. And not just that, I've used it in so many of my videos, like it's very popular. So I'll be showing you how to use it. Why? Because, or how to insert it, because most of the time when you insert it wrongly, the bag rips off as you open it with time, you know, like at that part it tears off. Now, but if you fix it the right way, that is avoided. So I'll be showing you just how best it's done, because I too have been doing it the wrong way. Alright, so if you are just joining us, you are watching Miss Crafty, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you are just joining us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have greater content coming up next week. Alright, also don't forget to like, comment. I would like to hear what you think about my videos. Then also share with your friends so that in the next videos they would see and to help with my algorithms. Alright, so have a wonderful day. Bye bye.